Hey guys, what's up? Finally getting a chance to post a little video here on the pickup truck. As y'all know, I bought this F-150. It is a four-wheel drive truck. When I bought it, it had that on it. That's a 2.9 Whipple, which, by the way, this whole kit is all for sale if anyone needs one. The exhaust, Whipple, the I guess heat exchanger, whatever that is. But anyways, that's all for sale. Nonetheless, bought it, took that off, and then I ended up going with a On3 twin turbo kit. I'll let y'all look at it real quick. Look at that. It is nice and clean setup. I can tell y'all I've heard about On3, way back in the day, like early 2013. I'll be honest, On3 was kind of an eBay, very budget turbo kit system. But now, man, they have really stepped up their game on their kits, especially their twin kits. They are super, super nice. Kind of get a flashlight here, you can kind of see. Stainless, tubing stainless, welds look decent. I was a little worried about the twin kit taking up, a lot of space under the hood, but as you can see, I mean, it really doesn't. I'm still able to access all the things I would need to access. I've already done an oil change. I had to use a kind of a skinny funnel on that side, but it was wasn't a big deal at all. So, but here's the kit, very clean. The number one thing I really like about this over the blower is how quiet this thing is, y'all. It is so quiet. It basically sounds like a truck with a muffler, and that's it, right? So the blower was extremely loud, but this is much quieter. I love it. It's kind of got a sleeper look to it, sound to it, and it made a whole lot more horsepower than the blower. Here, I'll start it up. Here's the inside, by the way. A little dirty, but that's okay. Let y'all hear it from in here. Usually the cold start is a little loud on just any Coyote, but it'll quiet down. Let's start it up. So let it quiet down real quick. That's how I do my tune-ups, is with that right there. So basically it's got two tune-ups, 93 and then E85. So there's that, and you can see it's quieted down now. Let me close the door. I mean, that is quiet. That's exactly what I wanted. Huge selling point to me for the twin kit is how quiet it is, and it made a bunch more horsepower. I'm talking like almost 300 more horsepower with the twin kit. But anyways, let me open up the door again. Come back here. There's the exhaust right here. There, but there it is, y'all. Twin turbo On3 kit. I am extremely satisfied with it. Well worth the money for the kits. And oh, by the way, on 15 pounds it made 1,040. And that's where we stopped. These are twin 67s. Obviously they can go a lot more, but this motor is still stock. Like, this motor, all it has is oil pump gears, and that's it. So over 1,000 horsepower, stock motor, on-3 twin turbo kit. Guys, in my opinion, this is the best bang for your buck modification that you can do to these trucks. So there you have it. I told you y'all I'd do a little video. Next step on this truck is I've got the differential for the front and the rear. Once I get that in, then I'm gonna get these wheels bead locked, get some Mickey Thompson, probably the Street R tires, and really see what this thing will do from a dig. So there you have it, y'all. That's my little shop truck, Frank. So he'll be looking to terrorize the streets here very soon. So I appreciate it, y'all. If y'all have any questions, hit me up, and I'll answer them for you. If you want the Whipple kit, let me know. We can work that out as well. So there you have it. There's my F-150. Appreciate it, y'all. Bye. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention. I took this truck up to On3 to have them put their kit on. I did that while when we went to Australia. So they put the kit on while I was there. And again, they did a great job. But the most important thing that I wanted to say, I almost forgot, was I drove this back 16 hours from Ohio. AC on, cruise set at 85, and I got over 18 miles per gallon. So 1,000 horsepower, over 1,000 horsepower, 18 miles per gallon, super quiet, AC. Like, what more could you ask for in a street truck? All right, y'all, that's all I got. See ya.